Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Mr. D, and welcome to my Slingshot review. Now, I am here inside the members area of Slingshot, and during this video, I am going to give you its demo and what it does. I am going to detail in this video, and also I put together my custom bonuses for those who like to buy from my link, which is down below of this video. Now, as you see in the title or thumbnail of this video, that I am giving Slingshot for only $2. Its real worth is $17, but when you buy from my link, which is down below of this video, you will get your $15 back. In the bonus area, you will get $5 instant and remaining money within 12 to 24 hours. I will give you. Now you might be thinking that why I am giving this huge discount. So the reason behind is that I am an affiliate of this product, and when you buy from my link I will get some commission, and in this case it is $15. That's why I am giving your money back to you. Now you also might be thinking that why I am giving my commissions to you. So I want you all to take action and grab this instead of wasting time. I know this will help you to make money, and you love this, and if you love this you will definitely buy some of its upgrades, and I will make money on them. Now let me tell you what is Slingshot is all about. So Slingshot is a cloud-based software which will put your affiliate link in front of 122 million buyer traffic in just 2 clicks, and the traffic you are getting is proven to convert so that you can make sales and earn commissions, and you can set it up once and making money on fully autopilot so that you can earn even if you sleep. It is fully newbie friendly, and the creator of this product guarantees you that you will get traffic in just 29 seconds, which is a very good thing. You will also get full training on Slingshot with full support. So with Slingshot you will get unlimited buyer and traffic. They this will work 24 by 7 for you, and it is very easy to make money with Slingshot, and more details of Slingshot I will give you later in this video, so watch it till the end. So Slingshot is going live on 5 August 11 am EST, which is New York time. So when it goes live you can click any of the button on my bonus page, and it will bring you to the sales page of the Slingshot where you can buy the Slingshot. So pick the Slingshot before my bonus page expire, which I don't want because I spend a long time to put and find these bonuses so that you can get best out of as possible, and these bonuses are not going to be available through anybody else link apart from mine, and I guarantee you that you are not going to be find better and more useful bonuses that what you are going to get through my link, which is down below of this video. Now let's see what are my bonuses of Slingshot. So my first bonus is you will get access to the Lost Code and the Waking. Both these are traffic app, and they will bring traffic to you on autopilot for free without spending a dime. So with these two softwares you will get unlimited traffic. So my second bonus is you will get access to the Fugo Breakout and Fugo Multiplier. Both these are training product, and it will teach you how to get traffic on autopilot and for unlimited without spending a dime online, and without spamming on social media or having an email list. So it is a very good bonus. So my third bonus is you will get access to my personal social media hack, in which I'll reveal all my strategies how I got money with the help of the social media on autopilot for unlimited, and you don't have to do much work. In this I reveal all my strategies and my resources which I use to generate much amount of money. So my next bonus is you will get access to my advanced traffic training, in which I'll tell you how I got millions of visitors to my affiliate link through a underground secret hack, and how I make hundreds and even thousands of dollars from it. So my next bonus is you will get access to a suite of 16 software which include funnel builder like ClickFunnels, autoresponder like ActiveCampaign, video hosting platform like Vimo, dropshipping platform or e-commerce platform like Shopify, account of Kabazi, and much more softwares including in it. So you will get account of all these software for free and for lifetime.
As you know that ClickFunnels average price is $99 per month and an autoresponder average price is $50 per month, and other softwares have different price value, but you will get all these for free. So my next bonus is you will get a premium hosting with a domain, including some premium themes, plugins and training also included. With this bonus, you can publish your website on internet with a premium hosting and a premium domain with premium plugins and themes. And the training course will tell you how to do all this and how to rank your website and much more things to make money from blogging or website. Now, my next bonus is that I'll tell you earlier that I'm giving your $15 back. So, this is the next bonus that if you buy from my link, which is down below of this video, you will get your $15 back, which is a very good bonus I am providing to you. I also put a bonus that you can send your email to my list every day, each day, and for lifetime. Yes, it is for lifetime. So I'll tell you my list that my list have over than 120k subscribers, and you can send 1000 emails per day to my list and boost your conversion rates and get traffic to your affiliate link. So my next bonus is I am holding a $1500 contest, and if you win this contest you will win $1500, and all this contest detail are in my bonus area. So bonuses up to 9 are only for first 100 people, because I am giving to only action takers who take action and grab all these, because these are very exclusive and I don't want to give them to all. So hurry up and buy it from my link. And as you can see there, some spots may already be gone because some of my buyers from my email list already buy it. So the seats have very less, and hurry up and buy it. So my next bonus is I am giving my email marketing hack, in which I'll tell you how I build my email list and how I convert them and make sales and make money from it through email marketing, and how you can do this also in a very simple way and fast without spending money a lot. So my next bonus is I am giving you a 40 free bonuses that you can give away to your audience to boost your conversion rates and make sales and make more money, because with the help of bonuses you can make more money and more sell. And my next bonus is I am giving a training of banking with bonuses, in which I'll tell you how to use those bonuses to give you to customers and how to boost sales, make huge money and much more from them. So my next bonus is I am giving all the vendor bonuses that he provides to me to give you, and you will access all these bonuses. Now my next bonus is if you stuck any part of the software or training course, you can contact to me. I will help you and you will get support from me. Now my next bonus is I am giving you my personal case study on how I got 2.9 million visitors to my website or my affiliate link, and how you can do this also. In this case study I'll tell strategies how I got this huge amount of visitors to my link. And my next bonus is chatbot marketing mastery, in which I'll tell you how you can leverage the power of chatbot to interact with your buyers, to help them and to make money from them and boost your conversion rates. Now my next bonus. If you buy CB Traffic app from my link, which is down below of this video, you will automatic approval to all of my product of past and future. So next bonus is is $300 CPA every day. It's a best course on Warrior Plus, which will tell you how to make money through CPA marketing. So my next bonus is $500 CPA every day. It also CPA marketing course, and all those bonuses from one to last are very exclusive. These are created by my team and very good affiliate marketers or creators in on the internet. You have any doubt, then you can search by any of this product on Warrior Plus on and or on the internet, and which this will tell you that how this product is very good. So without wasting time, let me tell you my next bonus, which is CPA coffee shop method. It's also CPA marketing course, but and this will tell you how to make CPA commissions through social media. So my next bonus is $200 cashback. It's also a training course. So my next bonus is $2K CPA traffic jacker. It's also will tell you how to get traffic on your CPA offers. So my next bonus is $250 cash magnet, and this is a software which will make $250 per day for you on autopilot. So my next bonus is the commission glitch. It's a very good product and training course on how to get traffic for free to your links. So my next bonus is six figure influx. This will tell you how to make six figures and much more from it. So my next bonus is $1,000,000 toolbox. It's also training course and best training course on the internet. And my next bonus is overnight commissions. It's also a software which will make commissions for you or on overnight. So my next bonus is commission toolbox. It's also a very good traffic course and training. So my next bonus is pure profit payday. It will tell you how to make money online through affiliate marketing by getting unlimited traffic for free without spamming on social media. So my next bonus is $100 CPA daily, and it is also CPA marketing course. And my next bonus is the commission profit hack. It's also a training course which will tell you how to make huge commissions through affiliate marketing for free. So my next bonus is instant traffic jacker, which bring traffic on autopilot for you through the internet. My next bonus is the commission magnet. It's also a training course on traffic. So my next and last bonus is the commission blueprint. It also a very good product. So I am not going to detail all these products which I give you as bonus. You can search of that, and these are very good. These are not any PLR products, and you can search on the internet that how good these products are and how valuable these are. All of these words are written by side of them.
So for claiming all these bonuses, first thing you need to do is click on the link which is down below this video and come on my bonus page. Just be aware that it goes live on 5 August 11 am EST, which is New York time. So when it goes live, you can buy it from my bonus page, and after that you will get all of my bonuses if you buy only the front end product, which is only for $17. And as you know that I am giving your $15 back. Now let me tell you how you can access my bonuses. So when you buy Slingshot, then in your Warrior Plus history you can see there this blue button tell access your bonus. Here you can access all the bonuses which I promised to you of Slingshot. Now let's see the sales page of Slingshot. Now I am on the sales page of Slingshot, and as you can see there, this guarantees you never run out traffic in 2021 and beyond. Press two buttons to steal free traffic from this pool of 122 million hungry rapid buyers within 29 seconds. So you will get 122 billion buyers in just 29 seconds. And here's a short introduction video of Slingshot. You can also watch it. Now there are some of its key features. Let me tell you one by one. This traffic loves to turn into sales and commission. Set it up once and forget about it. Even complete beginners can get free traffic. Finally have your breakthrough. Get all the traffic you need to crush in it 2021. And it also have 180-day money back guarantee, which is a very good thing. Now you can buy it by clicking this orange button. Click here to get started now, and you will get Slingshot for only a tiny fee of $17. And as you know that I am giving your $15 back. Now here you can see there is a free bonus. Get Slingshot Send, Slingshot Drive, Slingshot Host, and Slingshot Funnels at no cost when you pick Slingshot today. So with all these apps you can make more money from it. Now here you can see there are some income proofs and testimonials, and as you can see all it takes just 2 clicks. So click 1 is that you enter your link, input the link you want traffic to be sent. This can be anything you want, such as affiliate link. Now Click 2 is activate Slingshot. Sit back and let Slingshot leverage breakthrough technology to send you up to 122 million free buyers. So it's a very good thing. Now there he is the creator of this product, Venkat Raman, and he is a seven-figure affiliate marketer. So his product is also very good. Now there are some information about Slingshot. You can read it out in your own time because it is very detailed. Now here are some income proofs, more things. Now here's much information about Slingshot. Now there are some more income proof. Now here's everything you want, and as you can see there, you are receiving everything you need to get traffic with Slingshot. You will get Slingshot web app. Use the Slingshot web application to generate the traffic you need to any device of your choice. You will also get 2-click traffic Slingshot technology, in which you will get traffic of 122 million buyers in just 2 clicks. You will also get Slingshot training tutorials, in which they will tell you how to use Slingshot and how you can make money from it. Now fourth thing you are getting is Slingshot support team, in which if you have any problem then you can contact to their support team and they will help you to come out from it. Now here's more details about here, and there are some more income proofs. And remember, there are zero expensive, no domain name required, no paying for traffic, no monthly fee, no autoresponder, no paying for hosting, no website, no funnel builder, no extra tools to buy, no experience required. Now here are some more details. You can read it out in your own time. And these guys give you some more bonuses to buy Slingshot. So bonus number 1, you will get Slingshot Send. It's an autoresponder through which you can do email marketing. Now bonus number 2 is Slingshot Drive, in which you can store your files and files and PDF and anything you want. It's a cloud storage app. Now bonus number 3 is Slingshot Host. It's a hosting platform and you will get it for free, in which you can host all your websites and anything you want. Now fourth bonus is Slingshot Funnels. With this bonus you can make your funnels, you can make your funnel pages and everything you need. Now there are some more details, and as you can see there, it is 100% risk free because it have 180-day money back guarantee, which is a very good thing, which means if you don't make money in 180 day then you will get your money back. Now here are some more information, and as you can see, here's the list of everything you are getting with Slingshot. You will get Slingshot web app, 2-click traffic Slingshot technology, Slingshot built-in traffic, Slingshot training, Slingshot support, bonus 1 Slingshot Send, bonus 2 Slingshot Drive, bonus 3 Slingshot Host, bonus 4 Slingshot Funnels, and its all worth is $4,376, but you are getting it a tiny fee of $17, and as you know that I am giving you $15 back with all of my bonuses. Now here you can see this is the creator Venkat Raman. Now here are some frequently asked question. How does Slingshot get me the traffic? So this app get you traffic by tapping a pool of 122 million buyers that virtually nobody knows about it. Everything is taken care for you. Just you enter your link and getting to start traffic. Are there any extra expensive involved? No, absolutely not. What set this apart from other push button? So Slingshot leverage 2-click traffic Slingshot technology to send up to 122 million buyers to any funnel link of your choice, and you can read it out more about here. I am sold. How do I get started? Click the button below to get Slingshot at the lowest price. So you can click this orange button, and this is the whole sales page of Slingshot, and it is very detailed product, so you can check it out in your own time because I don't want to make this video very long. And check it out in your own time, this whole sales page, and in my opinion it's a very good product because it's give you 122 million traffic. So you should purchase it now with all of my bonuses because I'm giving you $15 back. Now let me tell you its prices and upsell. So its front end products is Slingshot and it is only for $17, and as you know that I'm giving you $15 back with all of my bonuses. So it's OTO 1, which means its upsell 1 is Slingshot Unlimited for $39, and in which you can create unlimited campaigns of traffic. You will unlock unlimited capability to everything inside your account. It's a very good upsell. Now Slingshot upsell 2 is Slingshot Done For You, which is only for $197, and in which you will get everything done for you. You will get done for your traffic, done for your campaigns, and the creator and their team will give you everything you need to succeed. Now its OTO 3 is Slingshot $1,000 per pay days for $197, in which you have in which they will give you traffic so that you can make more money. So in this upsell, you will get various methods of monetization with Slingshot. You can make more money from it. Now its OTO 4 is Slingshot Automation for $39 only. And in this upsell, you can make everything automated with this upsell. You can automate your campaigns traffic so that you will make money even if you sleep. This will automate to everything so you don't have to do anything. Now its OTO 5 is Slingshot Limitless Traffic for only $197, and in this upgrade the team of Slingshot give you done for you traffic and sales so that you can make more money from it. Now its OTO 6 is Slingshot Reseller, which is only for $197, and in which you can sell Slingshot as your own product and make 100% commission on the whole sales funnel, which means you can make up to thousands of dollars even you get only one sale. So these are the all upsells of Slingshot, and these are very good, and in my opinion you should purchase it, Slingshot Unlimited, which is OTO number 1, and it is only for $39, because in this upsell you will get everything unlimited. You can make an unlimited campaigns and anything you want. And if you have some more money, then you should also purchase it, OTO number 5, which is Slingshot Limitless Traffic, which is only for $197, in which you will get done for your traffic, done for your sales, and everything you need. So these are the all upsells of Slingshot, and it's all about. Don't forget to check out my bonuses on my bonus page. And thank you for watching my Slingshot review video, and I'll speak to you in some of the next videos. Take care. Bye.